Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Until today, I could not resolve my internet problem in my home, but tomorrow I'm back to India. So from Monday, we will do video from India. Now, coming back to the market, markets all over the world are looking very bullish. And the CPI inflation data came in US and S&P 500 fell about more than 2%. But in next two trading session, it almost entirely recovered that losses. And next Wednesday, that is 21st February, NVIDIA results is there. So because of that, that came under a slight profit booking. Apple has fallen nearly 10% in the last few weeks. And Apple is the largest index heavyweight, just like HDFC Bank in India. But despite all these, the markets are looking very bullish. So there is no reason for us to be bearish. And what happened exactly in our market? Our market was too bullish in the first 2 weeks of January, and Nifty closed about 22,000 on two trading sessions, January 15 and January 16. Then HDFC Bank result came that has created a hell lot of problem. And January 17, there was a gap down open of 1500 point in Bank Nifty and closed 2000 point lower. And after that, markets have been very, very choppy, very, very volatile, almost on a day-to-day basis. For the last 1 week, 10 days, Bank Nifty has been making more than 1000 point move. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers for about 3,000 crores. With yesterday's selling, they have sold for about 50,000 crore in this year. And most of the selling comes after the HDFC Bank results. So, logically, we conclude that they must have sold a lot of shares. Maybe at the end of this quarter, the quarterly institutional holding data will give some clue. But however, since HDFC Bank has fallen nearly 15-20%, and almost all mutual funds have been holding this stock, and earlier also, few times I mentioned that the domestic institutions may not allow this fall to go further or free fall like 40%, 50%. Then all mutual fund performances will be very, very bad. So yesterday, as expected, there was a report that said that mutual funds in the month of January, they have pumped in about 14,000 crore to buy the HDFC Bank shares. And then no need to say, we are already 2 weeks over in the month of February. So I'm sure February also, they must have put in a lot of money. So HDFC Bank being the number one index heavyweight, almost all index funds and all everything will be affected. So as soon as this news came yesterday, there was some kind of a short covering in HDFC Bank. So that's why even the Bank Nifty, I think yesterday it was a swing high. Right? I think the first trading session after the HDFC Bank result, when Bank Nifty fell 2000 point, after that, I think yesterday's closing was the highest closing. So our markets are also turning bullish, and except HDFC Bank, and there are no other issues for our markets. I'm talking about the Nifty. I'm not talking about outside Nifty like stocks like Paytm and other things. So for Nifty 50 stocks, the only problem so far is HDFC Bank, and that HDFC Bank is being taken care by the mutual funds. And if that goes by, let us say, another 50, 80 points, the Bank Nifty can comfortably cross 47,000. But still, there its all-time high is 48,000 plus. But the way broader markets are looking, like PSU banks doing extremely well, especially State Bank of India, and the auto stocks doing well, Tata Motors at all-time high, Mahindra and Mahindra at all-time high, Maruti at all-time high, and IT stocks doing well, auto stocks doing well, Reliance is doing well. So because of this, uh, Nifty is likely to hit all-time high fast and before Bank Nifty. But markets are going to be very, very choppy. Even yesterday, FIIs have sold for 3,000 crores. As and when FIIs are selling huge quantity, so definitely the next day there will be one dip. And that's what exactly happened yesterday also. Because day before yesterday, FIIs have sold, I think, about 3,000, 4,000 crores. Yesterday, the Nifty fell. Even the Bank Nifty has fallen nearly about 600, 650 points. Uh, uh, 500, 550 points from the opening high of 600, 650 points from previous day's high. So clearly, markets are turning bullish, though technically it is still not bullish. It may take maybe another 50, 100 point in order to become bullish. As and when that happens, I will let you know. But like fundamentally, it is looking very, very bullish. Any dip is a buying opportunity now. So I think for the rest of this month, 21,500 is going to be a great support. Looking at the monthly options, 21,500, 21,000 are the two strikes where there is a more put writing happening. And also people taking short straddle at 22,000. So thinking that, the markets are not likely to make a bigger move on either side. And, the call side is only 22,500. 23,000 as the highest open interest. That is probably because of buying for hedging. So now, last Sunday in the Dalal Street Week Ahead program, I said it is 21,500 to 22,200. Of course, last Sunday I did not do it. Monday morning I did. The previous week also I did the same thing. So market has been violently moving, but still consolidating between 21,500 and 22,000. And Nifty has not closed above 22,000 after HDFC Bank results. Before HDFC Bank results, on two trading sessions, they closed at above 22,000. So if the market closes above 22,000, then, upside, opens up. But until then, 21,500 to 22,200 is the range. And if the Nifty closes above 22,000, then the upper side range can extend to 22,500. So that is the view right now. And I think most of the issues are over. Now it's a tug of war between FIAs and DIAs only. Even in global markets also, when everything is over, then after that, what is happening? So that will be the real trend. So all the commotions, Fed meeting, CPI inflation data, everything is over. Now the markets are moving higher. So that means the trend is higher. So some windfall tax has been increased. So Reliance will be in focus, and GIFT Nifty is indicating about 50-60 point gap up. But, things are looking more bullish. So in fact, one trade suggestion, one can consider taking long position in Bank Nifty and short position in Nifty. This is called a pair trade. So if you think that, HDFC Bank will outperform, because of that, the Bank Nifty will perform better than Nifty. So let us see. We will do a paper trade. So we will just watch for next 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.